Hello guys, we're going to be taking a very quick look at a very good crypto arbitrage opportunity that everybody can start doing right now. Now I'm going to take about 5 minutes or less to do this, to show you guys how to do this, right? So this is Frugal Investor guys, and do make sure to subscribe to the channel if this video is helpful to you, and also like this video, right? So now let's get into it, right? So basically what you need for this is just your coinmarketcap account, right? So once you come over to your coinmarketcap account, what you have to do is just scroll down, look for a cryptocurrency. Guys, don't have to use any stable coin for this. You're only using a cryptocurrency for this, a volatile crypto for this, not a stable coin. Don't use USDT, don't use USDC or any other thing, right? So for example, let's just take a very quick dive and take something like a Polygon is, well, let's just take it, right? It's not a stable coin anyway. So let's just take it, and I'll calm down. We scroll down. So let's just scroll down to let's just scroll down to a page like this, right? So this is actually the thing we are looking for, right? So this is what the market, Polygon market, right? So these are different exchanges. Let's just go ahead and open this to know if we can see the full marketplace for, right? So wow, that's quite a lot. So this is quite a lot. So these are different exchanges that you can trade Polygon in currently right now. You can see different rates is being traded in. So most of them are in 1.06, so I can't see any difference. Okay, some of them are different, so you can see over here, or 1.09. so basically what you want to do, but this is with KRW, not with USDT, so unfortunately this is not gonna work. So you come back again, look for another coin you want to go with, probably one with more volatility in it that can give us some profits, right? So let's just shake this FTT token. So coming over to this FTT token right now, let's go down to the market section over here. All right, so let's come up. So always take note that this market is moving. So over here, let's take a very quick note that if you're in US or a country that allows you to buy cryptocurrency with your card, this is for you, right? But in case you're in a country that doesn't allow that, though, this kind of trade is for you, and these two have no gain in it right now. So take a look at the other one; they have no gain either. But BUSD, there's BUSD here, and there's gain in it, right? So basically, what you want to do is you buy FTT with your BUSD in Binance at this rate, right? So you can also sell it performing an intra-exchange arbitrage in same Binance, right? So I, for one, don't basically like using intra-exchange because the prices could move very quickly. So basically, what you have to do is source out a cryptocurrency with a clear double or more exchange availability in the market, where you can simply do this arbitrage with. And the best advice, guys, is to always use bots and always do that bot. Look for somebody that will do that bot for you. Do not go online searching for who will do the bot for you, so you do not get scammed, right? So every single opportunity over here is something you can use for crypto arbitrage. And unfortunately, you can see that the market is tight currently. The market is on the downtrend, so I won't blame it. But let's take a look at BTC and see exactly how it goes. So let's scroll. So this is just a quick update. I just let me drop for you guys. So I just don't want to waste much time in doing this, right? So this is a Coinbase exchange, but this is BUSD. Let's just check this one. So this is Binance USDT, and this is Huobi BTC USDT. Over here, you're gonna see that the prices are quite very much similar. So this is BUSD, right? So if you're basically using Binance right now, change your USDT to BUSDT, buy BTC from Binance at this rate, send it to you can sell it at this price, but if you want to sell it to a higher price, you can go to send it to KuCoin and sell it to this price, right? So this is basically how this thing works, and you're gonna making profits from it, right? So let me just do a quick calculation so you guys can know exactly what I'm talking about. So coming over here, you're gonna see that currently I'm buying it at 36. Always keep in mind that this market is moving, guys. So do not just think you can do this on your own. Always use bots. That's why I advise you guys to use bots, right? So there's a reason why I say you should use bots. It's not just for fancy, right? So basically what this is this minus this, right? So that's actually how you should be, not the other way around. So this is 36077.61 minus minus 36067.13. Then this is actually the gain I'm making from this. It's quite low. I know it's low, but it's the gain you can make in from this, just from this trade alone, right? So this is a single trade. You can make this as multiple times you want in a day. If you want, you can make it up to 20 times, up to you. That's as much time as the arbitrage opportunity shows itself. And in a month, you should be making this, if you are doing it consistently, you should be making up to $6,000 every single month just by doing this, right? So obviously what you want to use is a bot, because this is a hectic work to do. You don't want to do this by yourself. You can go ahead and look at the see all market to see all different markets you can do this with, right? I've actually wasted lots of time, more than I actually wanted to waste in this video. You can see over here different prices with the same USDT, right? So just always do for stable coins. This is UST. It's also an opportunity, right? So always use stable coin. You can change with, you can trade with USDT and you BUSD or UST. Just make sure it's a stable coin and not a normal fiat currency, a stable crypto coin. All right. For example, this is a higher price. This is a lower price. This is USDT. This is UST. They are still stable coins. Buy in Poloniex with USDT at this rate. Sell in Bitfinex to USD at this rate. You can always send your UST back to your Binance. It's just the same rate. All right. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys understand how this thing works. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.